looks like a normal RV, right? Yeah, that's what I thought too. But inside this thing, nothing feels normal. This is the 2026 Omni 32X, and it's hiding a full luxury setup. Real kitchen, proper bedroom, and a bathroom you won't expect. This doesn't feel like a camper anymore. It feels like a high-end apartment on wheels. And wait till you see what it costs. From the outside, you'd probably scroll past this. It looks like a solid premium RV, maybe even a bit rugged. A bit aggressive with that truck front and tall stance. But nothing about the outside prepares you for what's actually going on inside. And that's exactly why this thing is blowing people's minds. This is the Thor Omni Trail X32, built on a Ford F550-based 4x4 turbo diesel Super C motorhome. And right away, that tells you something important. This isn't a lightweight weekend camper. This is a full-scale, heavy-duty machine designed to carry an entire living space across long distances without breaking a sweat. Let's talk size, because numbers here actually matter. This thing stretches out to about 33 feet in length. That's longer than most city buses you see daily. The width sits just under 8.5 feet, giving it that wide, planted stance on the road. Height? Around 12.5 feet. That's tall enough to make you feel like you're driving something serious, not just another RV. And inside, you're getting roughly 7 feet of interior headroom, which means no ducking, no cramped feeling, just open, breathable space. And then there's the stance. Because this is sitting on a truck chassis, it rides higher than typical RVs. That means better visibility, more road presence, and yes, better ground clearance than your average motorhome, even though the exact number isn't officially listed. But just looking at it, you can tell this thing is built to handle more than just smooth highways. Now, step closer, and the details start hitting. That massive cab-over section? That's not just for looks. That's extra sleeping space, extra storage, and honestly, one of the reasons this thing feels so big. The side profile shows off clean, modern graphics, not overdone, just enough to give it that premium, slightly aggressive vibe. And then you've got the full-length power awning, basically turning the outside into a shaded lounge area. But here's where everything changes. The second you step inside, it completely flips your expectations. This is not what people think of when they hear camper. The living area instantly feels like a modern apartment. Bright lighting, clean finishes, soft tones, and a layout that actually makes sense. You've got a proper dinette where you can sit, eat, work, not just a tiny fold-out table. Across from that, there's theater-style seating. And not basic seating. We're talking reclining, comfortable, built for long nights of watching movies or just relaxing after a long drive. And the space, that's what gets you. Because of the slide-outs, the room actually opens up. It doesn't feel narrow or boxed in. You can walk through it without squeezing past furniture. You can actually live here. And then your eyes go to the kitchen. And this is where people usually pause the video. Because this doesn't look like a camper kitchen at all. This looks like something you'd find in a small luxury apartment. You've got a full-size double-door refrigerator. Not a mini fridge, not a compromise, a real fridge. There's a 3-burner cooktop, an oven, a microwave mounted above like in a normal home, and solid countertop space that actually lets you prepare food comfortably. Even the sink setup feels premium. Deep, stainless, with a proper faucet. And then you notice the small things. Storage everywhere, cabinets that don't feel cheap, lighting that actually highlights the space instead of making it feel dull. At this point, you're probably already thinking the same thing most viewers do. This doesn't feel like a vehicle anymore. And you'd be right. But it gets better. Move toward the back, and you step into the bedroom. And this is where the vibe shifts again. It becomes calm, quiet, almost hotel-like. There's a full queen-size bed, properly positioned so you're not climbing over things just to get in. Overhead cabinets give you storage without making the room feel closed in. There's natural light coming through the windows, soft tones, clean bedding. Everything designed to make this feel like an actual place you'd rest, not just crash for the night. And this is important because most RVs get the bedroom wrong. They either feel cramped or overly functional. This one actually feels comfortable. Now, just when you think you've seen it all, you open the bathroom. And this is the moment where expectations completely break. Because this is not a cramped plastic corner setup. This is a real bathroom, a full glass door shower, a proper vanity, a modern sink, clean mirror design, enough space to actually move without hitting your elbows on everything. It's bright, it's clean, and it feels way closer to a home bathroom than anything people expect in a motorhome. And this is exactly why this RV works so well on video. Every section keeps surprising you. Just when you think you understand it, it shows you something better. But here's the part most people don't think about. All of this luxury only matters if the machine behind it can actually support it. And that's where this thing gets even more interesting. Because under all this, you've got a 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine pushing this entire setup. That means serious power, better torque, and the ability to tow up to around 10,000 pounds. So this isn't just a home on wheels, it's a home that can pull another vehicle behind it. Then you've got a generator system, solar charging support, dual air conditioning units, onboard water systems, heating, power management. Everything designed so you can actually live in this, not just visit it. That's the difference. This isn't built for weekend trips only. This is built for people who want to travel long-term, stay comfortable, and not feel like they're sacrificing their lifestyle. And now we get to the part everyone's been waiting for, the price. Because at this point, you're probably thinking one of two things. Either, this must be insanely expensive, or, okay, maybe it's not that bad. Well, here's the reality. This setup comes in at around $270,000 to $280,000, depending on configuration. Yeah, it's not cheap, but when you compare it to what you're getting, a moving luxury apartment, a powerful diesel truck, a full living setup with kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and tech, it starts to make more sense. And that's why this RV is getting attention, because it sits in that space where people start questioning things. Do I need a house? Or could I actually live like this? That's the real hook. So now the question is simple. Would you actually live in something like this? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more updates.